In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about place value. So if you have a question like this that says, which underlying number is worth 200? Okay, so you have a list of numbers that you have to choose from, and you have to choose the number that has the underlined 2 that is worth 200. So to do this, you would need to remember your place value. So let's look at the place value chart. The hundreds go here, the tens go here, and the ones go here. So let's look at each of these numbers. So for this number, 732, the 2 is underlined, but this is in the ones. So this is not worth 200. It's only worth 2. Let's look at this number, 126. The 2 is underlined here, and this 2 is in the tens column, so that 2 is only worth 20. And then if we look finally at this number, 238, this 2 is in the hundreds column, and it's worth 200. So this is the one that is worth 200. So let's write it in. So 2, and let's underline it, and then we have the 3, and then we have the 8. So 238 is the number that has the 2 that is worth 200. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Anyone can do math. You can just rewind it and play it again, and when it makes sense, then you know you understand it.